What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another YouTube video. My name is Mike, full-time Amazon media seller, books, CDs, DVDs, cassettes. Today's video is a fun one. I bought 4 random boxes off Facebook Marketplace of brand new sealed CDs. Paid $100. I just got one box, all right? Because I got to get through this. I got the library pickup I got to get through. As much as I would love to sit here for the next hour, the sun's going down. So I just picked a random box and we'll kind of just jump into it. Like I said, I paid $100. So 4 boxes. I think he said it's around 300 CDs. I didn't count them exactly. I did make sure they were all sealed. So you guys know how much I'm into it for. If you're interested in making money on Amazon selling the same junk I do, join the YouTube channel. $2.99 a month. Weekly calls, private Discord, and the go-to lister discount. Membership pays for itself. I left my phone at home. Thankfully, I have Deb. She's going to help me here. So I got her hand-painted pink polka dot scanner. Do not judge me. So let's see what we got going on in here. I'm just going to grab a stack of them and we'll kind of go through them here. Wilson Phillips, California. Remember, these are all brand new sealed. So we will be selling these as new. So that one, $10 profit. We already made a lot of our money back. Now, the headache with this is, right, is these BMG barcodes. You cannot scan these. So these have to be cover scanned in the Amazon app. So we will set these aside. We got another one here, Newsboys, BMG. Rod Stewart, BMG. Hey, look at that, boom, another one. So that's $20 from Wilson Phillips profit already. This one's not found. Paul Simon, so this will also go in the cover scan pile. Lots of BMG so far, and I honestly don't mind it because at the end of the day, you're still gonna make money, right? I just keep them separate so they don't slow me down and I can get through and scan everything as fast as I can. More BMGs. Brooks and Dunn. Steers and Stripes. We will send that one in at 11:34. We'll make $4, not too bad. Kenny Chesney. Dude, nobody buys Christmas. Yeah, they do. Pam Tillis. It's all relative. Tillis sings Tillis. Whatever that means. $3.78 profit. Yes, we will be sending those in. Got another one here. We got some Montgomery Gentry. You do your thing. New buy box is 10, but we'll go with the lowest new FBA, $4 profit. John Michael Montgomery, $13, $5.72 profit. These are all cover scans, which if I had my phone I could do, but what are you gonna do? Cover scan, cover scan. It's like the majority of these are cover scans. Kelly Clarkson. Believe it or not, you actually could sell Kelly Clarkson and make some money if it's new sealed. New sealed is always better, even if it's absolute junk. $11.75, but we'll probably go up to that $15. $8 profit for Kelly Clarkson. I'm so pissed at myself I forgot my phone. Deb's like, calm down. I'm like, no, it's the end of times. So we definitely got a lot of doubles and triples here because I'm seeing a lot of the same ones. This one's got a barcode. Trick Pony on a mission. $16.29, $7.73 profit for that one. All right, that was one side. Let's see what we can find. Got a little bit of Ray Charles. This one sucks. New buy box. The only hope here, right, this is not a completely lost cause. I'm not going to send this in, but if you wanted to take a second look, maybe this person that's got it at $9 has one copy and you kind of can wait them out to sell yours. If that's the case, you probably could charge up for this a little bit, but it's not the fastest mover, so safe bet is putting it aside. Lenny Kravitz, Fred Hammond, Shaggy. Shaggy sucks. His music sucks. He's overrated. He had that one stupid "It Wasn't Me" song. Let's keep going. Hopefully we get some barcodes here. Backstreet Boys, Johnny's favorite group of all time. We got Bare Naked Ladies. We are actually sending this in. This is a fast mover. Amazon cares about sell-through. So even if we sell this at $9.99, we still make $3.18. Sell through, sell through, sell through. Send it in. It's new. All we're doing is throwing a sticker on it. There's no extra work that goes into it. Carlos Santana. This one sucks. Definitely not sending that one in. Guarantee you this 3-6 Mafia is a banger, but it's a cover scan, so I can't guarantee it, but I am guaranteeing it. I forget some of their songs, but I remember they had some bangers back in the day. We got Sean Paul. I believe Amazon is pulling the wrong one here. As popular of an artist Sean Paul is, I highly doubt this only sold once in the past 6 months. Probably multiple listings. Scoutly pulls the wrong listing. You got to take a second look at it. We got Puddle of Mud. Many, many more cover scans. We got 2 more stacks we're going to do here. If we can actually hopefully find some. Here goes one. Tommy Boy's Classic Cuts. That's funny. Tommy Boy's in the first ever members call that I had on the YouTube channel. He's been around forever. Awesome guy. We are sending this in. We're not going up to $28.40. We're going to go down probably around $19.99, maybe even $17.99. We want our stuff to sell, not sit there. Got any more? Here we go. Karen Clark Scherer. Little crack there. Doesn't bother me. If it's anything that's more prevalent, like if it was on her face, then I wouldn't send it in. But honestly, when it cracks that small and it's kind of off to the side, I'm still sending it in. So you gotta get a refund. Dude, you're broke. All right. Last stack of the box. There better be at least one to scan in this pile. I don't think that's gonna pull anything. All right, we got a banger. Jaheen, Ghetto Love. $9.91 profit. Got anything else to scan? 5 for fighting. This is another one we will send in, even though the sales price is low. Amazon's selling it at $7.99. This will sell the same day it gets checked in. I don't even know who this is. Oh, this is the Strokes. Is this it? Cover scans. So, from our one box, we have all those to cover scan. What do you got, barcode ones? Deb pulled out some barcode ones for us because she's the best. All right, so these ones actually aren't brand new sealed. So, and I got scammed off Facebook Marketplace. Oh no. So let's see if any of these are worth it to send in. Use. All right, this one we'll send in. We'll go up to the $12.99 mark, $5.77 on this one. Zappin' Roger, the all-time greatest hits. Boney James, not worth it. Queens of the Stone Age, not worth it. Although you could argue that it is. You send this in, right? There's only 5 used FBA. This is selling every single day. You probably could get like $8.99 for that, give or take. More Brooks and Dunn, not worth it used. This one's a fast mover. In excess, right? You got Need You Tonight. What's the other one? The Devil Inside. Yep, track 16. Can't scan that one because it's punched. This is a fast mover, Stone Temple Pilots, but it's not going to do it because Amazon's at $6.99, so we can't mess around with that one. Sarah McLachlan, not worth it either. So, not too shabby. Did I get scammed? There's some used ones. I guess you could say so, but I'm pretty sure we're going to well make our money back buying random new CDs. There was a photo of one of the boxes, so I didn't see everything, but at the price of $100, you can't complain. So we'll probably say yeah, I hate guessing. Probably like 500 bucks minimum profit, I would say. And then I'll have cases for the crack cases ready to go. I got to get through all the library books. I am not recording that because I will be here forever trying to figure that out. But yeah, I got a lot of cover scanning, and the thing that sucks about this is you cover scan it, see it's profitable, and then I actually have to type it in and search it manually when I list it. There's no way to get around it. There's no software that'll scan the BMG labels, unfortunately. But yeah, not too shabby of a haul. I figured I'd show you guys. I've just been running my mouth lately to show you guys I still actively work on the business. I just don't sit here and talk about things. I am still in the business just like you and you and you and you and you. Deb's already digging through the boxes in the trunk. She's been wanting to go through these. And I'm like, hey, I got to do a video this week. So let me just do a video. She's like, I want to scan them all. I'm like, we will. That's going to do it for the video. I appreciate you watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more Mike Got Scammed, I guess, on Facebook Marketplace videos. Bye-bye.